How to log in Southwest Airlines. So here is how to do it via website. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is go to the Google Chrome, and there in the search address bar type down the southwest.com and navigate to the Southwest official website. Once there, you will get to see the login button available in the top right corner of your screen. All you have to do is tap on the login. Once you tap on it, you will be asked to enter your login credentials. Then all you have to do is enter your username and password. Then click on the login button available there. If you forgot the password, then click on the forgot password. Then reset your password as well. Now tap on the login button available there in the yellow box. Then you'll be logged into your Southwest account. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.